This video demonstrates the payment function. The payment function lets you compute what your payment will be on a loan. To build the payment function, I'm going to click where I want my answer to be. So I'm clicking here in the payment amount, and then I'm going to hit the equal sign and type in the function name, which is PMT. Next, I'll open a parenthesis. The first thing that it wants is my interest rate, but that is not the annual rate, it's the rate per payment. So I'm going to click on the annual interest rate, but then I'm going to divide it by the number of payments per year. The next thing it wants is the number of payments or the number of periods. I'll click on the number of years and multiply that times the number of payments per year. The last thing that it wants is the amount to borrow. I'll go ahead and click on that, and then I can close my formula with a parenthesis and hit enter. Here's my formula.